Today, video editing takes more time than actually creating content. Cutting clips, fixing subtitles, correcting mistakes, it all adds up. But what if editing could be as simple as editing text? That's where Vrew comes in. Vrew is an AI-powered video editing tool that automatically converts your video into text and subtitles. Instead of trimming clips manually on a timeline, you simply edit the text, and Vrew edits the video for you. Remove a word, and that part of the video is gone. Fix a sentence, and your subtitles are instantly updated. It's especially useful for YouTubers, short-form creators, educators, and anyone who wants fast, clean edits without complicated software. Whether you're creating tutorials, reels, or talking head videos, Vrew helps you save hours of editing time. In today's fast content era, spending too much time editing can slow you down. With tools like Vrew, you can focus more on creating and less on fixing. The link to Vrew is in the description below. Start by clicking on Try for Free. Vrew offers a free version with simple sign-up, allowing you to use all the core features, including AI generation, transcripts, translation, and more, completely free. Right at the start, you'll see two main options: New Project and Open Project. Let's go with New Project. Now, once you click on it, you'll see several powerful creation options on your screen. First, you have Import Video and Audio. This is for traditional editing, where you bring in your own footage. Next, there's Text to Video. And this is where things start getting really interesting. You'll also see short form with AI, which is perfect for creating reels, shorts, and quick social content automatically. Below that, there's AI voice clip, useful if you want AI-generated voiceovers. Slides to video allows you to convert presentation slides into videos. Images to video helps turn static images into dynamic visual content. And finally, Record lets you capture directly inside the platform. Everything is organized, clean, and extremely beginner-friendly. But today, we're focusing on something powerful: text to video. And this is not just a simple text-to-video tool. Here, you don't need complex editing skills. You just add your script and your idea. That's it. The AI analyzes your content and automatically creates a full video for you, including visuals, structure, and flow. Now let me show you exactly what I mean. I'm going to click on Text to Video, and you'll see why this is not just another basic AI tool. Watch this. Now you can see this interface. There are many options here, but everything is clean and very easy to use. On the left side, first we have Video Title. Here, you simply enter the title or topic of your video. Right below that, there's the Requests section. This is where you describe what kind of script you want, the tone, audience, format, or any specific instructions for the AI. Next, we have Style. From here, you can choose the writing style for your script. Under that, there's Script Length. You can turn this on if you want a longer, more detailed script. Then you'll see AI Scriptwriter Pro. This enables the advanced AI writing feature for better and more professional results. At the bottom, there's the Generate Script button. Once everything is filled, you just click this, and the AI will create the script for you. On the right side, this large area is the script box. This is where your script will appear, or you can manually write your own script here. And at the bottom right, you can see the character limit indicator. Now I'm going to fill everything with what I want. Let's generate the script and see what happens. Now we're inside the media section. Here, you can fully customize how your video will look and feel. First, we have aspect ratio. You can choose 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for shorts and reels, 1:1 for square posts, and other formats depending on your platform. Below that, we have AI voice. You can enable or disable voiceover and even choose different voice styles. Then there's music. You can select background music. For example, energetic, cinematic, calm, depending on your video mood. Next is AI images. This allows the AI to automatically generate visuals based on your script. You can choose between basic, plus, or pro generation quality. You also have high resolution if you want sharper output. Now let's talk about style. Here you can choose different visual styles like realistic vintage watercolor illustration, flat vector oil painting, pencil drawing, pixel art, and more. For this example, I'm going to select anime style. Below that, you'll also see free stock videos, which lets you automatically add stock footage to your project. You can turn on auto mute and even use the resize options if needed. Now that everything is set, I'll click Create Video. The AI now starts working on my project. It only takes a few minutes, and just like that, the video is ready. Now you can see this amazing and easy-to-use editing interface. Here, you can change everything: voice, visuals, script, timing, whatever you want. Let me quickly play the video first.
Ever felt a shiver of fate? A brush with destiny in the mundane? We call them coincidences. But what if I told you they are not random at all?
As you can see, this is incredible. Just text, turned into a full AI-generated video. And honestly, it's already ready to upload. But let me show you some editing features. If I want to change the animation of this first scene, I just click on the image. Here, I can replace it, animate it, or adjust different settings. I'll select Animation. You can see multiple ready-made animation presets. Just pick the one you like, and it's instantly applied. Now let's say I want to edit some voiceover words. Here, you can see every line and every word separated clearly. You can edit any word you want. You can remove words. You can rewrite sentences. For example, if I want to remove something from the first 45 seconds, I just click on the text, edit or delete it, and it's instantly applied to the video. You can also change the voiceover. Just click on the voice option here. You'll see multiple voices available. You can switch to a different character voice anytime, and the best part? It supports multiple languages, so you're free to create and edit videos in different languages without any extra effort. This is not just text to video. This is full AI-powered video creation and editing in one place. And here at the top, you can see several important menu options. Files. This is where you manage your project. You can save, open, or export your video from here. Home. This is your main working area. It shows your project and basic controls. Edit here, you can cut, trim, split, or adjust your video clips. Captions. This section is for subtitles. You can edit text, translate it, copy it, or fix spelling. Format. Here, you change how your text looks. Font, size, color, and position. Insert. You can add new things to your video, like text, images, or other elements. AI voices. This lets you generate or change the voiceover using AI voices, templates. These are ready-made designs you can apply to your video quickly. Effects. Here you can add animations, transitions, and visual effects. Help. If you get confused, this section gives guides and support. These options allow you to fine-tune every part of your project, from captions and formatting to effects, templates, and voice adjustments. It gives you full control over your video editing workflow. Now, once you're satisfied with your video, simply click on the Export button. Here, you can select your video format. I'll choose MP4. You can also adjust additional video settings like resolution, frame rate, and other export preferences. And honestly, very few AI video generators give you this much control. If you're not sure what to change, just leave everything on default settings and click Generate. Within moments, your video is processed and saved directly to your device. Now let me play the final video for you.
Shiver of fate? A brush with destiny in the mundane? We call them coincidences. But what if I told you they are not random at all? My name is Anna. I chase stars for a living, but lately, the universe has been chasing me. Anna, it started subtly. A name I kept seeing, a number popping up everywhere. Then things got strange. There's a hidden architecture to reality. A tapestry woven from invisible threads. We see only fragments, but some see the pattern. Coincidence is just the universe's way of whispering its secrets. The question is, are you listening? It's not random, it's a countdown. The universe is not a clock, Anna. It's a symphony, and the music is about to change. Anna, we have to stop it! What if everything you thought you knew was wrong? What if coincidence is the key to unlocking the universe's greatest mystery? Anna, then I'll rewrite the music myself.
And as you can see, this started with simple text, and now it's a complete AI-generated video, fully edited and ready to upload. So that's Vrew, from simple text to a fully edited AI-powered video in just minutes. Whether you're creating YouTube content, shorts, tutorials, or cinematic storytelling. This tool makes the entire process fast and beginner-friendly. If you found this helpful, check the link in the description. Try it yourself and let me know what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.